Hello student, in this class we learned connect and bridge tool and we create this model by using these tools. First we create these legs and then create connections here for creating these supports, and by applying bridge tool we create these supports and then create a box to creating this wooden part. So let's start. First I create a box. Go to modify section and change the dimensions, length and width 3 and 3 unit and the height 24 unit. Now convert this box as a editable poly. Now we create some connections like this by using connect tool. So first I select edges and create a window selection like this. So these edges is connected in a ring form. All these edges are selected. You can check. You can also select these edges by selecting a edge and then click on the ring button. But it's a easy way to create selection in a ring form by using particular viewport like this. So first we select all the edges in ring form and then right click. Connect tool is available here and it's a setting box, or you can also find this tool in the edit edge section. Connect tool is also available here and click on the setting button. So these are CATIA controls of this connect tool. You can increase connection numbers like this, or by using these parameters you can increase or decrease spacing in between connections, and you can shift in left or right by using third parameter. So I create one connection in the center of this and apply, and then select second direction edges, right click and choose connect tool, click on the setting button and apply. So I create these connections. Now I create 4 different copies. So I choose select tool. By pressing shift and click and drag, we create a duplicate copy. Make sure copy radio button is selected. Click on the OK button and then select these 2 legs and shift, click and drag like this. So we create 4 different copy. You can change distance according to your requirement. Now we select one leg and right click and choose attach tool and attach all these legs one by one, and change the pivot position in the center by using hierarchy effect pivot only, center to object. And you can also place this in the bottom. Now we place these legs in the center of this grid by right click on the up and down arrow for X and Y direction. Now we create some connections for creating this support for top and this bottom one. Select all the edges from the side viewport. I am using left viewport. Click and drag and create a window selection, then right click and click on the setting button. I create one connection and these values are 0. Apply and shift this in up direction. Now create a window selection again, and this time we create 2 connections and the distance should be like 1 unit or 2 unit. You can shift this by using third parameter like this and then apply. Press F4 to show the edges. Now we create bridge connection in between these legs. So first I switch to polygon subdivision and select these facing polygons by using control key. So these facing polygons are selected, this one and this one, and then find bridge tool and click on this. No need to click on the setting button. If you are using a older version of 3ds Max and this type bridge connection is not created, so you can select these polygons and delete them. After deleting a polygon, it's create a border. So let's switch to border and select this border. by pressing Ctrl key and then click on the bridge tool. So it's create a bridge. So you can use both method. Same as we create bridge in bottom connections. Select these polygons and click on the bridge. Connection is completed. Now click on the editable poly to exit the editing mode. Now we create a wooden box on the top. So I switch to top viewport and make a box. Press F to switch to front viewport and provide some height. Now go to modify section and change the height around 1.2 or 1.5 and move in the up direction. Create a window selection like this. So these all parts are selected and then click on this color box and apply a color like this. Now select this box and make in the center. Okay, so position is perfect. By using bridge and connect tool, we create this small table, or you can call this stool. By using same method, you can also create some other models like branch or chairs. Now we meet in the next class.